Hello everyone. In today's video, let's see how we can get prepared for the poem orals of standard 5th English Balbharti, poem number 1 and poem number 2, What a Bird Thought and Strawberries.
What a bird thought! I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I floated from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of this. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made I cannot tell. Can you? Poem number 2. Strawberries. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. Has the wild berry plucked in June, besides the trickling stream.